Today, I'm going to share with you my review of openSUSE, one of the most respected Linux distributions out there. openSUSE is known for its stability, reliability, and powerful tools, making it a favorite for system administrators, developers, and intermediate Linux users. One of the best features is YAST, or Yet Another System Tool. This is an all-in-one control center that allows you to manage software, system settings, and hardware without needing complicated terminal commands. Another powerful tool is Snapper, which provides system snapshots and easy rollbacks. This makes experimenting safer, since you can undo mistakes with a few clicks. openSUSE comes in two main versions, Leap and Tumbleweed. Leap is the stable edition built on SUSE Linux Enterprise, which means it's rock solid for production environments. Tumbleweed, on the other hand, is a rolling release that always gives you the latest software, making it perfect for gamers or users who want cutting-edge features. The pros are clear. openSUSE offers outstanding stability, enterprise-grade reliability, and one of the best KDE Plasma desktop environments available today. It's also excellent for gaming with Tumbleweed, since you get constant updates and the newest drivers. Developers and power users will appreciate its configurability and professional foundation. However, there are cons. openSUSE has a steeper learning curve compared to beginner-friendly options like Ubuntu or Linux Mint. The installer, while detailed, can feel overwhelming and sometimes leads to hardware issues, especially with proprietary drivers. Printer setup can also require manual tweaking. Overall, openSUSE is best for intermediate to advanced users who want both power and flexibility. If you're ready to go beyond the basics, this is one of the most rewarding Linux experiences available. Thank you for watching.